Alright, this video I am going to customer gave me his e-cig and he wants a sticker done to go around to cover this clear portion of where the batteries go. And this comes off like so. So what I did, got some transfer tape like so, put it on there, press it on really good, cut it out, and that gave me a pattern. So I got the pattern on a piece of paper here, so I'm gonna go and just kind of draw it out. Some devices, I mean, I get really technical. I'll get the calipers out, and that's basically my pattern right there. So I'll put that into Adobe Illustrator and make it into an SVG file. Okay, so this is the pattern after making the clipping mask and printing it. So, well, printing and cutting. This is what it's going to go on. I hope I got my measurements right. Alright. Let's give her a spin, see how it turned out. Now this pattern, I made it with calendar vinyl, but I used a over laminate, which is used for car vinyl wraps. Which I probably would have preferred to use instead of calendar vinyl, but I wanted to try it out because even though the calendar vinyl isn't made to fit around like contours and curvy surfaces, I've done it before with like tattoo machines, and it's actually not bad. Alright, see how it looks. And there you go. Got these skulls on there. Looks good. Thank you for watching.